Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So I do get a lot of comments with people saying I have saved them a lot of money, and I do get questions, hey, can I send you some money somehow? And now there is a way, if you so choose, called fan funding. You'll find it on the channel page right there. Going to replace the spark plugs on this 2006 or 2007 Kia Rondo 4-cylinder engine. Got this bar here and a couple nuts, 10mm nuts that hold the shield on. Just have to lift it off. Here's the shield. 2 nuts there on the back. Basically have to lift up. 10mm bolts holding the coils, ignition coils in place, and this wiring harness, which you may or may not have to move. Let's get in here and see what we've got to do. There's some leaves and debris. We're going to blow this stuff out of here so it doesn't fall down in the spark plug holes. We just have ourselves a 5/8 spark plug socket, wrench, ratchet wrench, and an extension of some kind. It's left to loosen, right to tighten. And that's really all there is to removing it. We'll do the same for the other ones, and we'll see about putting them new ones back in. So with spark plugs, you got a gapper. You just want to check the gap. It's like about 38-ish, 0.038. It's got a iridium tip, iridium and platinum tips. You don't really want to gap them carelessly. You want to be very careful with them. Hopefully they come the right gap already. Gap is supposed to be like 0.039 to 0.043. Check them quickly and carefully. I think we're all at 0.039, so we can go ahead and put them in. This is the hole for gapping. If you need to open it up a little bit, you can carefully bend it like this, lift up a little bit. If you need to shrink the gap, you can tap it on a hard surface a little bit until you get the right gap. We'll go ahead and put these in. Always sort them by hand. Turn it all the way down if you can. Seems to have basically hit the bottom. And basic instructions usually can come on the box. If you have a gap, if you have a gasket type spark plug, it says 1/2 to 2/3 of a turn to tighten it down. That is installing your spark plugs. That was about 2/3 of a turn. And you do the exact same thing for the other ones. Take them out, make sure the gap's right, put them in, and then go ahead and put your coils back on. There's a product called a dielectric grease, which you can put on your spark plug coil boots a little bit. Just as helps keep the boots from sticking and helps protect with water and other benefits. Not required, but if you want to get some, go ahead and get some. It's dielectric grease. And we'll just put this stuff back on and put our 10mm bolts back on. Very easy. You can certainly do this job in a half an hour probably. Good luck to you on your Kia Rondo 4-cylinder